Title: How to Make Money with AI Even If You're Not a Tech Expert. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that so many people ask about. Can regular people, students or non-tech folks, actually make money using AI? With all the buzz about AI these days, you've probably seen headlines like "Make $10,000 a month with ChatGPT." But the reality is, most of that advice is either too technical or too vague for beginners. So in this video, I'm going to show you 10 real, practical ways that anyone can start earning with AI. No coding skills, no tech background required. Let's jump right in. 1. AI-powered content creation and sales. You don't have to be a professional writer. With tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or WriteSonic, you can create blog posts, newsletters, social media content, and even full ebooks, all in minutes. Example: write a healthy diet plan ebook with ChatGPT. Then sell it on Kindle, Gumroad, or a Korean platform like Kamang. You can also write storybooks or web novels, then publish them online for ad revenue. And don't forget about visual content. Use Midjourney or DALL-E to create unique illustrations, stickers, or wallpapers, and sell them on Etsy, Redbubble, or even your own store. 2. Start an AI-enhanced online business. Even without tech skills, you can launch an online store. Platforms like Shopify, Cafe24, and SmartStore have built-in AI features. Generate product descriptions with AI. Use ChatGPT for customer service templates. Automate blog marketing and social media content. Use AI to analyze customer reviews or create newsletters. And if you speak multiple languages, offer AI-powered translation and localization services, especially for e-commerce clients. 3. AI investment and financial tools. Yes, you can invest with AI too, even if you're not a finance expert. Try AI-themed ETFs like BOTS, AIQ, QQQ, or SOXX. Use robo-advisors or AI-based stock-picking apps. Automate portfolio management with tools like Wealthfront or Betterment. It's perfect for beginners. Just start small and learn as you go. 4. AI-powered freelancing and side gigs. You can now become a freelancer using AI tools, even without traditional skills. Create logos with AI design tools and sell them on Fiverr. Write SEO-optimized blog articles for clients using ChatGPT. Build simple websites using AI site builders like Wix or Framer. Sell digital downloads like templates, planners, or business guides made with AI. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Korean sites like Kamang are perfect for this. 5. Teach AI tools even if you're not a techie. You don't need to develop AI. Just teach others how to use it. Start a class on how to use ChatGPT for studying or how to create art with Midjourney on platforms like Class 101, Teachable, or Gumroad, or offer one-on-one coaching sessions. Students, creators, and even small business owners need help learning these tools. 6. Prompt engineering for beginners. Think of this as a secret weapon. If you know how to write great prompts for ChatGPT or Midjourney, you can sell those prompts on sites like PromptBase, or create a prompt bundle ebook for writing resumes, social media posts, or marketing plans, and sell it online. Some communities even hold prompt contests with cash prizes. This is more about creativity and problem-solving than tech. 7. AI automation services for others. This is one of the best low-competition side gigs right now. Help local business owners or content creators automate simple tasks using AI. For example, set up AI chatbots for websites. Generate weekly social media posts using ChatGPT Canva. Automate email newsletters. Summarize customer reviews or auto-translate content. All of this can be done with just basic tools. And clients will pay for time saved. 8. Data labeling and AI support tasks. Want to help train AI models? Join platforms like Remotasks or Amazon Mechanical Turk and get paid for tagging images, categorizing content, doing simple review tasks. It's repetitive but low barrier, perfect for students or anyone with free time. 9. Personal branding with AI. Use AI to build your own online presence and monetize it. Ideas: a blog that summarizes daily AI news, a YouTube Shorts channel featuring AI-generated stories or artwork, an Instagram account sharing ChatGPT prompts or AI memes. Once you grow your audience, you can earn through ads, affiliate links, sponsorships, or selling digital goods. 10. 5 simple actions you can take right now. Let's wrap up with 5 things you can start today. Use ChatGPT to write a YouTube script. Generate images with Midjourney and launch a store. Start a blog and apply for Google AdSense. Build an AI tools review blog and earn through affiliate links. Offer chatbot setup services for local businesses or creators. The key is to start small, stay consistent, and improve over time. Final thoughts. AI is not just for engineers anymore. It's a tool, and that tool is now in your hands. Don't wait to become an expert. Just take your first step today. Whether it's writing, designing, automating, or teaching, your creativity and action are what matter most. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and go start your AI journey today.